How to activate eye comfort shield on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. You can use eye comfort shield feature to release your eyes or easily read in the dim light on your device. To enable or set a schedule to activate eye comfort shield, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app, now scroll down up to display, tap on the display, again scroll down. Here you can find the eye comfort shield. Toggle on it. Now keep your eyes comfortable by limiting blue light and using warmer colors. Using at night can make easier to fall asleep. So toggle on it to enable the eye comfort shield on your device. Here you can see the two options, adaptive and a custom. So you can customize eye comfort shield also to automatically enable it on your device. In adaptive, automatically adjust your screen color based on the time of the day. In the custom, choose the color temperature that's right for you. So you can set the custom also. You can increase or decrease the screen dim light like this. You can see change the light on a screen also. So set the color temperature for out. Also set a schedule always on sunset to sunrise. Make sure turn on location to use this. Here you can allow to location permission to use sunset to sunrise, or you can also set custom set start time end time. So this is the customization setting you can use. Or if you don't want to use, just select the adaptive, so it will automatically adjust your phone screen based on the time of the day. Also enable enhanced comfort feature that will adjust the color tones and contrast for easily view in the night on your device. So you can easily customize eye comfort shield on a Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung One UI 7 devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.